Hi, welcome back. In today's episode, we find out I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I replaced the VANOS Solenoids.
These are the new solenoids.
Kind of get the car running.
Feels a little bit rough.
And then do something really dumb.
Oh, we got some smoke coming up.
Leaking from the valve cover.
And this one's all green, which means it's corroded. That's 10 Canadian winters for you. Oh, I'm a bit nervous at this point. That doesn't sound good.
Oh, come on.
That's disappointing.
So, back from work. I got about 15 minutes, and so I'm going to toss VANOS back in. I bought 2 new solenoids. I'll swap them out and see if that fixes the problem. And if that doesn't fix it, then we'll see.
These are the new solenoids. Just going to hit them real quick with a bit of brake clean. New ones, the old ones a little beat up. We're gonna swap these ones in now. Feels a little bit rough. I'd say it's slightly better. Well, that's definitely an improvement over yesterday. You can tell it's hunting a bit more. Oh, we got some smoke coming up. That doesn't look good. Newest development, smoke. Where is it from and why? Pouring out from underneath here. Looks like oil dripping down the exhaust manifold. Man, I don't know. Oil leaking out of the head right here. Oh, that smells nasty. And there's like oil all down the exhaust manifold. I don't really know what that is or how that got there. Ooh, there's a lot of oil right above exhaust manifold on this side. Man, look at that oil. Okay, so it's been about a week. I swear I think, you know what, we'll see what happens. Here's what's up. Everything's sort of together, but I feel like it's leaking from the valve cover and we're still getting some pressure issues. So I'm gonna take it off for the 3rd time, double check everything, check the seals, make sure everything's sitting correctly, and then you take it from there. Okay, so I took my sweet time. It's about 2 hours later. I did this last time in about 20 minutes, and I think that was my error. Plus, I got a little enthusiastic with good old pal, the impact wrench. Don't overdo that. So I'll button back up, tighten down, nice and even. I put on some gasket sealer, not around the actual gasket, because I think that caused problems earlier. I'm going to give it some time, gasket sealer, to do its job. Start it in the morning, so we'll see how things go. So I inspected this ground wire, and this one actually isn't as bad. Really corroded, probably covered in oil, which has helped preserve it. However, I have another ground strap somewhere which literally fell out of the car. So this is the ground strap all the way down by the engine mount right there. Yeah, so that completely broke right off. This should look, you know, not green, but it's all completely corroded. I'm gonna replace that with something, and then hopefully that fixes everything. Now that I have some better light, you can see that was completely missing off the engine. When we picked up the car, this actually fell out of the bottom when I put it up on jack stands. So I'm going to try and find a temporary replacement for this, just to get the car running, because you definitely need a solid ground for everything to work right. Even this one here is really frayed right there. There it is. So it's about to break off as well. One more obvious problem to fix. This isn't surprising because 313,000 kilometers, almost 200,000 miles, these things will wear out. And this one's all green, which means it's corroded. That's 10 Canadian winters for you. Alright. So I did a thing. This is part of the oil filter system, and I threw it out with the old one because I don't know what I'm doing. And it goes in here. So I'm going to properly install that now. Yeah, try again. I think that definitely had an impact on the way the engine ran, in addition to other things. So I'm going to fix the grounding strap, going to fix that, and then see how she goes. Just behind the driver's side tire is where the ground strap goes. And then right up here, that's the bottom of the engine mount. That's where the ground strap goes to. I'm going to order a proper one, but I have a temp that I'm going to install. Yeah, there's still a bunch of oil on the bottom of the engine. I'm not 100% sure what's going on there yet. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm close to starting it. Just gotta put in the new cable. new cable installed. So that's all nicely crimped on and tightened up. Both are on. I do another quick check, make sure everything looks good. Put her back on the ground, start her, and see what happens. So I'm a bit nervous at this point. Man, I'm nervous. That doesn't sound good. Just sounded like the fuel pump kept priming. I don't see or smell any fuel leaking. Shoot. You know, when you start a car so many times, you start to get nervous every time. Transmission malfunction. It's not dumping its transmission fluid, is it? I don't see it yet. Oh, come on. That's not good. I think it's about a week later. I don't even know. It's cold now because winter is coming. Winter's coming. This is the fuel pump control module. And I think I fried the other one because the fuel pump runs and runs and runs like it's priming but never stops running. So that's my guess. That's the only thing I could find when I looked up those symptoms. I have to install this. I have to code it. So I'm going to disconnect the battery because that's what I didn't do last time and why I fried this bad boy. Install it, hook up a laptop, code it, cross my fingers, hope that the car starts. So we'll see. This makes me nervous. It connected, reconnected, connected, reconnected. Yeah, I'm going to try that again. It's reading. Coding ended. It's coded. Let's see if the fuel pump still cycles. It's not good. Same problem. That's disappointing. So in repairing the ground straps, I messed something up. Watch the next video to find out. In the meantime, you can follow me on Instagram at Rackintosh. Currently the car is at my mechanics because there are a couple things I can't do myself. Follow me if you want to keep posting. And thank you for your patience. I'm trying to get these videos up like one a week at least. We'll see what happens. Oh, there I am.